Hi, let's see how we can review all the correct information in Outgrow. So to do that, we'll first need to head to the content that you've created. Once there, you can go to the Analyze tab here. So you will first see the overview information here, like total visitors on your content, total starts, your conversion score, the conversion rate, your engagement score, and some more graphical representation. And then some more data like the part of the world your clients are coming from, the devices they are on, the traffic sources, the browser types. And then finding under user details is where you'll find the actual lead information, like the name, the email addresses, the outcomes that they got, and the actual responses. So if I click the magnifying glass here, I will be able to see the actual responses. Now you can also add your custom filters here. So let's say you want to list all the users that had a specific response to a question. So to do that, you can just add a filter here. So I'll say users that had this response to the first question. And then this will give me a list of all those users. I can, of course, save the filters to use them later. Finally, under the export tab, you can export all of this information as an Excel sheet. You can specify the date range if you want. You can do a custom report where you can specify the information that you want, or you can do a full export. So this is how you can review all the information that you've collected in Outgrow. Sign up for a free 7-day Outgrow trial today.